What's up, guys? Hope you're all doing good. I hope you worked hard, and thanks for watching my videos. Now today we're going to talk some crypto news, so stick to the end for all the details because Ethereum is up the past 7 days. And before we get into the video, consider subscribing as it helps with the growth of this channel, and give this video a thumbs up. That way YouTube recommends more of these crypto videos to more people, and we all win because more people invest into crypto. So this, guys, as you know, a lot of chaos has ensued during these past couple of weeks, but the good thing is that we may be seeing something a glimpse of hope. Now, as you can see, the past 7 days Ethereum has been going up. If you connect a dot from the left to the right, it's been going up. And I could show you the Bitcoin graph, and it literally looks the same as Ethereum. If you actually go to the Bitcoin graph, and that's because Bitcoin and Ethereum, they're literally they do the same price action. Look, connect the dot to left up, and they almost went up the same percentage. Now, why is it going up, guys? It's just maybe it's bouncing up from a bottom that it had. As you know, it could do a double bottom. So the bottom of Bitcoin was like at 18,000, and look, it's about to maybe bounce, but who knows? Maybe this was the bounce at 19,000. But honestly, in my opinion, I think it will go lower. But that's just my opinion, though. A lot of people are suggesting that Bitcoin is going to drop between $15,000 to $17,000. Now, that is pretty scary to think about because that is lower than 18,000, and I haven't seen Bitcoin at 15,000 since I first heard about cryptocurrencies back like half a decade ago. And that was during the all-time high of those cryptocurrencies. But so if you look at it in that way, the all-time high back then is the all-time low today. So we definitely come a long way, but everything seems to be kind of cooling off. But it could be a double bottom, guys, in my opinion. This is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but there seems to be a lot of crypto news lately, especially with people trying to sue each other because they have lost a ton of money, as you know. And also, millions and millions of crypto has been stolen these past couple of days in hacks, in heists, and that is definitely does not help cryptocurrencies at all, especially with how volatile they could be. But everything seems to be kind of cooling off. There isn't that much of headlines where it says the Feds are going to rake interest rates up, and honestly, that scares a ton of people. Just those headlines alone. Why do you think they're called headlines? They scare investors, and your average retail investors, they're very, very afraid of everything because guess what? They're probably investing all they have, and as soon as they see something that could be negative, they take it out. So, and it brings down everybody with them. So everything seems to be kind of cooling off. As you can see right here, these giant spikes, they're not the real price of Bitcoin. The real price of Bitcoin was between like 13,000 to maybe 17,000. These giant spikes are just whales that want to make their money. So there's a lot of crypto news, guys, especially with big companies buying out too. Smaller companies that kind of went bankrupt during this whole crash. And it's amazing how everything could just come crashing out of nowhere. Now, big financial institutions, whenever there's a crash, it usually takes a long time. But not with crypto. Literally, this has happened twice this year, or it happens like twice a year where everything comes crashing down. Companies go bankrupt, other bigger companies buy them out, and the cycle continues. And when things are going good, more companies are formed, but guess what? Then they end up getting bought out because they're going under by bigger companies once the bear market happens. So that was it for today's crypto news, guys, and thanks for watching my videos. Towards the end, you guys are the best.